so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, today is the first day that we are actually working with the new camera. It is a Lumix Panasonic G7, if you guys didn't know. It's a super dope camera. I highly recommend it, and it was a really good price for a whole bundle that I've got. So it came with a tripod, the Rode mic Go, and it came with an SD card and an extra pair of batteries. So you can't go anything wrong with that, to be honest. But that is not what we're here today for. This is going to be a light pickups video, so whatever I picked up like maybe in the past months or weeks. So I did pick up a few shirts and everything, so let's just get right into that real fast. Alright, so the first thing that I picked up, my family actually got it for me because I had a barbecue last Saturday. And it was super fun, super chill and everything. A lot of people made it. And there's going to be a video on that on the O3 channel, so make sure you go subscribe to the team as well. I'll leave a link in the description down below. But yes, today what we got is a Uniqlo shirt, Suprema shirt. It's a nice little shirt, you know, little nice detail and everything. Still have the stickers on it. I don't know why, but yeah, it's a nice shirt and everything. I love their stuff, and I like their Suprema cotton because it's super stretchy, super thin, and it's just one of those really great shirts that if you wash it over and over again, it won't fade and it won't, you know, get old and whatnot. So yeah, this is what the shirt looks like. It's a V-neck, but I'm pretty sure I wear crew necks nowadays because all my shirts are like V-necks. This is like a dark beige kind of, I wouldn't say mustard, but it's like more of like a, yeah, just like a tan colorway. I could probably wear this with like black pants and everything, or maybe just regular jeans and wear some like Yeezys or something like that. I think this would be a really dope fit. I just like wearing t-shirts, especially in the summer in California, because it gets really hot really fast. This is the Uniqlo Suprema shirt, and it is in tan, so yeah, really nice color and really nice shirt. Alright, so next what we're going to get into is a BBC ice cream shirt. So basically it's Billionaire's Boy Club, but it's ice cream, so it's like the other brand of it. Think of it as Bape and then AA. It's pretty much like that. So yeah, this is the ice cream shirt. I really thought it was dope. I got it from Phenom. Really dope spot in Elk Grove. So I got this shirt for a pretty good price. I think I got it for like maybe 30 bucks and everything. Yeah, so super sick shirt. I like the back graphic of it as well. And I don't have a whole lot of yellow, so that's why I was like, you know what, let me get a yellow shirt because it's something that I don't have and I really want. So I got it, I picked it up, and I was like, yo. And this fit goes really well with the Air Max Light 2s that I have. If it matches, then it matches. So it was just meant to be, I guess. Alright, so next pickup that I got is the Supreme Ghost Rider tee. So if you guys actually know, I actually had this tee before, but I ended up selling it because someone's like, yo, I really want that shirt. I was like, you know what, let me be a good person and actually sell it to him because he seemed like a really dope dude. However, I kept finding myself wanting that tee even more after that, so I ended up pulling the trigger and I got this, I think, off of StockX for like 55, and I was really super happy with the pickup. If you guys don't see it, it's right here. Yeah, Supreme Ghost Rider. Nothing on the back, just a simple Supreme tee, and I was like, yo, this is the most fire tee that they came out with in a while, and I really like the color that I got it in as well because it's like a neon green. It's something that I don't have, and I posted on Instagram. Instant likes that everybody loved the shirt and everything. Nice pickup, and I really do hope they make stuff more like this because Supreme lately, they just haven't been coming out with that heat. So yeah, this is pretty much my favorite shirt out of the whole season in a nutshell, I guess. Alright, so last shirt that we have here is a Pleasure shirt. It's right here. It's a World Penetration Tour shirt. It's got a little orange, I think that's an orange. It's got a little orange on the graphic on it. And I thought it was just super dope. The reason why I really got this because it reminds me of like a tour shirt. If you look at the back graphic right here, it says Pleasure's Global Penetration Tour, and it's from like all these different countries and everything. I was like, yo, that back graphic is sick. So I ended up copying. This would only ended up costing me 19 bucks. I got it also from Phenom, having a really cool sale. And I was like, yo, let me just slither over there and buy this shirt because I always really wanted this shirt. I found it on Grail, but it was like 50 bucks, and I was like, yo, I don't know if I'm gonna spend 50 on it. It's another black shirt, and I know I have too many black shirts, but I don't have too many black graphic shirts with them. So that's why I ended up copying. It's a super sick shirt, and I'm really happy with how it came out. So yeah, Pleasure's tee. Alright, so another pickup that I got, you guys have probably already seen the video, so it's gonna be kind of a repeat. Is the Air Jordan 6. I'm not gonna do an on feet of these. So if you do go to my channel, I'll leave a link in the description down below as well. I have an on feet review on these, so yeah. So this is what they look like. Super nice. It's got, you know, you got that Nike Air in the back that we all wanted, and the infrared is actually red. So yeah, Really love that detail. It's just one of those shoes that I really like. Alright, so last pickup that I got, you guys probably already seen the video as well, and I'll also leave a link in the description for these, but I did it on feet and review on this shoe as well, the Bread 4s. Really slick, really clean. I'm so happy how they turned out this year. You know, you got your Nike, you got the Air Jordan right here, you got the Flight on the tongue, and it's just your 4, bro. And I'm really happy with how they turned out. And it resembles kind of like almost the OG, but without the white lining. It is what it is. I still like the shoe, and I still think it's a really clean shoe. Alright, so that's pretty much sums up of what I've got this summer so far. It wasn't a whole lot because most of my money went to this camera, but like I said, it was all worth it, and I'm super happy of how it's turning out and everything, and I can actually see myself in frame of the camera, so that was a plus. Well, that basically wraps up my video. Make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to me for more content just like this, and also leave a like on the video if you like the things that I just picked up. Make sure you guys go subscribe to the team as well in the description down below, of course, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Move at me, you move with caution. 512, she bought from Austin. Watching family, got no way to pause it. Heard the voicemail and she done lost it. Hear the silence, hear the water from the faucet. 1, 2, 3, we lost it.